Here I've got REALME 6S, and let me show you a few of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, and let's start with the shortest one, the pretty quick code, which is *## 06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your REALME 6S, so smoothly enter this 5-digit long code and then check the unique numbers assigned to your device. Tap on OK to finish this attempt, and then it's time for the second code. It is *## 426 ***. And as you can see, this is the diagnostic mode, so here you can check events and also the status. And if you would like to activate advanced view, tap on the more icon and then select advanced view. And here you've got the specification. So this is it. Let me go back. That will be all for this second code. And the third and also the last one for today is ***, ***, 225, ***. And here you've got the calendar info. So this code will provide you with all events, celebrations, important dates, birthdays, and so on, which are added to your Google Calendar and also to your internal storage calendar. Smoothly enter this code and you will be able to see all upcoming events. You will not forget about any of them. And it's super useful, so use it as often as you want to and as you need to. And actually that would be all for today. This is all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.